What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, it has formed up like a lot of cryptocurrencies have that are larger market cap ones. Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Polygon, just to name a few, are some cryptocurrencies that have been forming up like this. And essentially what we've got here is we've got the A, B, C correction that we have been looking at for a lot of cryptos, Bitcoin included. Like we said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. The larger market cap cryptos have been looking at that ABC correction, looking something like this, where basically what's been happening is we had the El Salvador crash, and then we were starting to get a bit of a rally, and then obviously the market sentiment around the Evergrande news has essentially been dragging the cryptocurrency market down as well. You got that ABC correction coming down to sweep some of the lows. We did think that the bottom was potentially in when we came down to this previous swing low area somewhere down here, but we have actually swept down a little bit lower to retest some a previous level of structure, basically looking something like this in and around this area here, where you can see, you know, we had a good amount of support at around this level here, around $20-ish, which is, you know, a very strong psychological support. We come back to this, up to this area, didn't we? And then we come down again, retest it as resistance. We come back up, but we never retested it as support, interestingly enough, that area. And it looks as though we have actually come back down and done that now. And obviously, if we throw our fib retracement tool on here, we'll probably find some good confluences with these levels as well. And if we just take a look at our levels here, you can see, let me just make sure that all of this is correct. We come from high to low, we come back up, previous resistance flipped into support, resistance into support, resistance, support, resistance. You know, our EMAs are also dragging us to the upside here. Resistance, we start to pump up. We think, you know, Chainlink's starting to get underway again, and then was obviously El Salvador crash. We come back down to the 050 area, get support. We come back up to the 618 for resistance. And, you know, we do start to roll then, don't we? We lose the 50, we lose the 038 as well. And, you know, basically in free fall, weren't we, for a lot of cryptocurrencies. But you can see here on the hourly time frame, there's a huge amount of bullish divergences. We've actually got momentum to the upside increasing, and we've got the RSI to the downside decreasing, basically showing, you know, bullish divergence here and momentum to the upside potentially increasing. Essentially, you can see what's happening, can't you? We're basically doing something like this, where we're bottoming out and starting to curve to the upside like this, and then eventually we'll make that double bottom, probably in the next move, if this isn't the bottom already, and then basically start to do something where we pick back up like this and get back up into that previous level, that previous range that we were looking at. I mean, you can see here just how much confluence there is with our Fibonacci levels here. We come down to that previous level looking for support, and, you know, things haven't been looking ideal for Chainlink, but we do genuinely think that the bottom is probably in right now, and we are getting a nice bounce, currently at around $23 right now, getting back up above that 038, which hopefully we can come back up, retest as support, come back up to the 50, retest as support, and, you know, continue doing something like that basically. So overall, things looking okay. And you know, we do think the bottom is in, considering all the bullish divergences we're seeing. So short-term price predictions then, keeping things short and sweet. Basically, if we do roll over here, we've got the coming back down towards that $20-ish area. We would expect a really good bounce there, because that's a strong psychological number. And then coming back to the upside, we want to see ourselves reclaiming that 050 around $27 and that 618 at around $30. And then, like we said previously, we do think $100, $150 by the end of the bull run for Chainlink. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.